What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. For this episode, I just want to talk to you guys about the setup that I have at the background every time I do my vlogs. And after that, we will be unboxing Hype Beast Goku and Hype Beast Vegeta. Let's go! Very quick reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we are giving away a brand new rose gold and black watch. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! Now, if you guys have been watching the vlog for a while now, I have sneakers on display here at the back. For the longest time, they were my grail sneakers. They were the Off-White Nike collaboration, the 10. However, after thinking about it, and after watching myself doing the vlogs for a while now, I kind of got bored to it. So I made the decision to change it up every now and then, depending on my mood. And for today, or at least for the next few days, I've set it up so that it shows off or it displays my Adidas Dragonball Z collection. Guys, I did a review of every single shoe of the Adidas Dragonball Z collection, from the Gokus all the way to the 2 Shenrons. I will put the link down below to the playlist so you can binge watch all of the great content that I did on Adidas Dragonball Z. Click it, binge watch it, go. So as you guys can see, we kick things off with this really nice Shenron figure that I got from Fresh. I did a collab with him, a collab video featuring this one and actually the entire collection. So make sure that you guys check that out. Here at the back, we have the Hype Beast Goku and the Hype Beast Vegeta that we will be unboxing in a while. Those are the Funko Pops. Here, we have the Shenron. So this is the Shenron EQT, a super comfortable sneaker that doesn't have boost, and I just love the colorway. I mean, it literally just pops. Speaking of pops, what? We have the limited edition Goku on the Cloud Funko Pop. Guys, I usually take my Funko Pops outside of the box. I know that will trigger a lot of Funko fans out there, but I just like them better if they look like this, right? Let them breathe. Apart from that, we have the Gohan D-Rups over here. The Gohan D-Rups are probably one of the hardest to wear in the Adidas Dragon Ball Z collection, mainly because just take a look at that crazy design. It's not every day that you see something like that, right? And we have the Gohan Funko Pop here as well. Not in the Super Saiyan mode, but I have a really nice Gohan Super Saiyan Funko Pop that I will be also unboxing at the end of this video. We also have, of course, the limited edition gold Shenron. So, oh man, look at that. Man, it still takes my breath away every time I look at it. I just love the design of this shoe. I just love the overall style, and it is super comfortable as well. I picked both my Shenrons up at in Japan. So I also have a playlist of my Japan series. Guys, check that out if you haven't yet. Now, the only sneaker that's not Adidas Dragon Ball are these Air Force One Off-Whites. They're down there because I'm still finishing my review on them. So watch out for my review of the Nike Off-White Air Force One OG very soon. If you move to the background here, these are the crepe crates that I have most of my other sneakers. We have here some more Funko Pops. We have here the Night King with the dragon. We have here Broly, one of my favorite Dragon Ball characters to date in all of his muscular glory. We have a bunch of Snorlaxes. That's my spirit animal right there. We have Groots, and we have Daenerys with her dragon. And of course, the YouTube silver play button. What's up? Now, moving to the other side, we have here Goku, of course, in Super Saiyan mode. And we have the Goku Zx 500 RM. One of my favorite new silhouettes for 2019. This is a super comfortable sneaker, much better than the NMD. I actually did the review of the Adidas Commonwealth Friends and Family ZX 500 RM. Guys, check that one out. Check the video that I uploaded prior to this one. We have my favorite character of Dragon Ball. We have the Prince of Saiyans, Vegeta. So this is the Funko Pop of Vegeta over here. I actually did a review of this amazing Chume statue of Vegeta that I have just right here on the side. This one, super expensive, but the video went viral, so it's okay. So this one, I think the video already has like more than 300,000 views, so definitely worth the investment. But anyway, speaking of Vegeta, this is the sneaker. This is the Adidas Dragonball Z Ultra Tech Vegeta. So I just wore this a few days ago. What's nice about this is at the back it says over 9,000. Definitely delivers a lot of pop because of the yellow toe box that you guys see here. Really comfortable sneaker despite not having any boost, because it was originally a running sneaker. Now we also have the villains of the story moving down here. I don't have a Frieza Funko Pop. I am working on that one, but I do have a dead Yamcha Funko Pop. So this is the saddest Funko Pop ever made. But anyway, we have the Frieza Young ones. Again, another super comfortable sneaker because of the adiprene midsole. I just love the pink and the purple and all of the other colors, and the overall design of the shoe is just amazing. We also have the Majin Buu Commandas, probably the most uncomfortable sneaker in the entire set. I hate the Commanda in terms of comfort. Definitely not for people with wide and flat feet. And I've only worn this once, I think, ever since I bought it. And if it weren't a Dragon Ball collaboration, I really don't think I would have bought it anyway. So, and lastly, we have the Profeer. This is the Adidas Dragon Ball Z Cell Profeer. The Profeer is one of my favorite sneakers, and you can tell that because I have a lot of Profeers on the other side of the wall over there. You have the OG one, you have the Desert Camo, the Rogue, and a bunch of other Profeers. And here we have it, the Cell Profeer in green. It also comes with nice flat laces. That's not, well, here because it's in the box. And speaking of boxes, the box set over here, if you line them all up like what I did with all the reviews in the past, it forms a nice poster art. It has double Shenrons because there are two Shenron sneakers. So it just looks really nice if you line them all up like that one. And to those who are wondering what happened to all the off-white sneakers that used to be there, they're now here inside the boxes. So those are all the off-white sneakers. So after the Dragon Ball Adidas phase, I'm thinking of doing like an Air Force One display because I love the Air Force One so much. So watch out for that one, guys. That will be that's most likely the next display that I will have for the background. Now that's enough of me just talking about the shoes on display. Let's get to the unboxing. I have three really awesome, or four. I have a bunch of Funko Pops that I wanted to unbox with you guys for this vlog. Let's get started. So these are probably two of my favorite Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops. First up, we have the Badman Vegeta. I did an unboxing of this one already. And what was really cool about this is that you have a hype beast Vegeta. He has a pink polo, yellow pants, and like nice really looking green loafers. So I don't know if Dragon Ball and Adidas can actually come together and put together like an apparel line with Adidas and Dragon Ball, and they can just copy the hype beast outfit of Badman Vegeta over here. Man, that pink polo looks so kick-ass. Apart from that, we have a hype beast Goku. So I haven't unboxed this yet, so this is the first time that I will be showing this to you guys. Again, I am a fan of unboxing pops, and apologies to those who get triggered, but that's just how I want to enjoy them. I collect them not to sell them. I collect them because I want to see them, and I feel like I just love the look. So that's what I do with my pops. They usually go outside of the box. So here you have it. This is the Funko Pop. What do they call it? Well, it's just called Goku, but I call him Hype Beast Goku. So he's wearing what looks like a Capsule Corp jacket, a bomber jacket with 59 written on the side of the jacket over there near the sleeves of the left side. And then he's wearing what looks like, I don't know, trousers. Light green trousers, a really nice looking belt, and then he is wearing nice looking sneakers. Obviously it's not branded, but it's color brown, has white laces, and it has a white midsole. So just so it'll focus. There you have it. So this is Hype Beast Goku. Speaking of Goku, I also have the Ultra Instinct Goku over here. That's Goku with the silver hair. That definitely his most kick-ass look to date. Definitely a really nice pop. I want to buy a Chume Goku Ultra Instinct. That's the same brand like the Vegeta one that I showed you guys earlier. I would love to have like a really kick-ass statue of this one in my collection. Hopefully I get to see one and I get to bring one home soon. And lastly, probably, and I'll end with this one, this is a limited edition Dragon Ball Z pop of Gohan. This is the Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. Sells for 2,000 pesos, ouch, or $40. And it comes already with the Funko Pop protector. So it has some sort of plastic on top of the box. But like what I said earlier, I am a fan of unboxing pops. So let's take this out. And right off the bat, you can see what makes it special. It's not your typical pop wherein it just has a vinyl character. It actually has more additional elements, which I think just adds to the overall excitement and hype and value. Ooh, wow. This looks so much better. Oh wow, I think it's broken. Oops. But anyway, so I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like glued, but yeah, I'll just hold it together for now and I'll fix it later. But this is it. This is the Gohan Super Saiyan 2. And you know it's Super Saiyan 2 because you have the lightning all over the character that you guys see there. So lightning along the side of his head, all over his body. And you have the Super Saiyan yellow glow here at the bottom of the feet. Now again, I'm not sure if those are supposed to be adhesive and stuck. Oh yeah, I think it's broken. I think it's, oh wow. I think I got a broken pop. But anyway, doesn't matter, I'll just glue it together. I'm not going to sell it anyway, but that sucks. But anyway, you also have more lightning pieces that you can attach and change it out to the character. So that's something I definitely play around with. But yeah, guys, this is the Super Saiyan 2 limited edition Gohan Funko Pop. So that's actually it for this quick and simple vlog. I just want to chill, share some, chat about toys, chat about Funko Pops, share the Adidas Dragonball Z collection that I have at the back. What about you guys? Let me know what you guys collect. Do you collect any toys? Do you collect any Funko Pop lines? Do you collect like statues and stuff like that? I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys all had a great Valentine's Day, and I hope and I pray that you all have a restful and meaningful weekend so we can all get recharged for next week's work week. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. Boom, boom, boom. Boom.